Hi guys, welcome to our topic today. Today we'll be talking about how to change the code font size in Pycharm IDE. Why is this topic important? This topic is important because sometimes you will be trying to do some programming on the Python interface and you find that the font is quite small. So how do we resolve this issue and how do we ensure that we're able to change the font size to distribute size of case, probably a bigger size. Let's say the default is usually 12 or 13. You try to increase it from 10 to 16 or 20. So this topic is very important because it enhances your productivity when you're using your Pycharm interface. So let's start. Firstly, my name is BashcomTech. And so first thing we're going to do, let's click on the word Pycharm software. So let's double click on it. It's coming up. Now, a very important point also that we need to note is that they are based on the version of the Pycharm IDE application or software you are using. The first step usually varies. I'm going to explain that. Let's go to our Pycharm. So our Pycharm is on. You can see that these are font sizes a little bit small. Let's say what we increase it now. For the newer version, the version I'm using for Pycharm is version 3.10.2. So it doesn't have the Pycharm on the menu bar. Whereas for the older applications, you have Pycharm. So if you want to change the font size, there are 5 or 6 steps and it's very easy. First, you go click on File. Secondly, go to Settings. Hold on. From Settings, you now go to what? Editor. Normally it's like this. Go to Editor. You expand the editor. You go to what? Font. So the size is 13. I'm going to increase the size to let's say 16. Yes, sir. And let's click on what? OK. So you can see that what the font size is quite what? Larger. So this is a very important step. Now I made one point that if you are using the newer version, you understand, you have, if you're using the newer version, you have File. If you're using the older version, you have Pycharm. So take note of that. Are you getting it? So depending on whatever method you are trying to use, always ensure that you go to your file, you start to get your file, go to settings, from settings you go to editor, from editor, so and from editor you change the size, which I've done. So you can see that the font size is quite larger. So this is a very intensive topic, and what I did here is that I simulated the steps on how to change the font size from 12 to 16. So thank you very much everybody. See you all in our next class.